Hi, I'm John Hassel here at Johnson Moore Realtors at Cedar Creek Lake, and it's winter. Yeah, it's about the middle of January. Can you believe it? And it's like 65 degrees out here. No ice, no snow, no freezing temperatures, although we've had a couple of freezing days. But man, this is the time of the year that you can get some stuff done. The lake is down about 2.5 feet, may drop a little bit more before we get those spring rains and it just fills it up. But while it's down, this is a perfect time to check your seawall. Yeah, looky there. Take a look at it. It's a great time to check to see if you need any repairs, need some paint, need some fill in, or if you need to check your poles. Yeah, this is really important because now that the water is low, usually about a foot below the normal water level, that's when you start seeing your pipes with holes in them. So now's a good time to check all those, knock off some of those rusty spots. If you want to make some repairs like this dock was just put in last year, looks pretty good right now. This dock is about 12 years old, still looks pretty good. Now, this wall is about 12 years old, looks pretty good. This wall next door, man, they put this in 2 years ago. It's already starting to rust. Got some grass growing through it, and there may be some holes back there that need to be filled in, but this is the time to do it. And if you've got some property with some beachfront, man, this is really the time to take care of that. Well, in fact, let's go check that out. I'll take a look at this. Here's the water line now. Look at that tire. That's easy to get out of here right now because the lake is down about 2.5 feet. Now this area right here is normally all underwater. The water line usually comes up to right about here where you see these tree roots. But this is more shallow, back into the cove. You can see across the way where you can see where those retaining wall needs some work over there. Obviously this dock is going to be replaced soon. But look at that, yeah. Get down there and clean all that stuff up where you can, because once the grass starts growing, starts raining, you won't be able to get down here. Now here's a rock that needs to be replaced. There's an old stump out there in the lake. If it goes down a little bit more, you'll be able to take care of that. There's another tire that needs to be hauled out of there. But now's the time to clean all this up. Get it cleaned up. So in the spring and the summer, when the kids are out swimming or walking on the beach, they're not stepping on shells, they're not stepping on twigs, they're not stepping on beer cans. Yeah, but man, this is the time to do it. This is the time to get it cleaned up. Look at that across there. Perfect time to clean up. Get all those weeds cut down. Get all that stuff done because you can get to it. Holidays are over. Kids are back in school. We got a break next couple of months where hopefully some of this stuff can get done before the season starts. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little bit. Try to get out and get some stuff done that's unseasonably warm. Don't know how long this is going to last, but get down here, enjoy yourself. It's beautiful in the fall, it's beautiful in the winter, so take advantage of the lake. And by the way, hit that subscribe button. Man, I'm going to have some more stuff coming on this year. I'm really going to try to get a lot more stuff coming on this year now that I've got more time. Y'all take care. Let me introduce you to lake living. Bye-bye.